Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. You're in Unit 5, Admission of Partners. And I'm going to teach you problem number 16, exercise problem number 16. Right? Now, Mala and Anita are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. Now, we have this Mercy admitted into partnership with 1/5 the share in the profit. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So, calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio. Now here in this case, they have not given you the share sacrifice and the proportion of share sacrifice is not given. When both are not given, you have to remember this formula. What is the formula? Share sacrifice. Share sacrifice is equal to, what is the formula? New partners share into old share. Okay. So here you have new share of old partners. New share of old partners. What is that? Old share minus sacrifice. Share sacrifice. Fine. So remember this. Share sacrifice is new partner share into old share. When nothing is given here, you don't have share sacrifice in proportion of share sacrifice is not given. So you have to remember this formula. All right. Okay. Now let us read the problem again. Mala and Anita are partners, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. And Mercy is admitted into partnership with 1/5 the share in the profit. So they have not given you the proportion of sacrifice, share sacrifice, and proportion of share sacrifice is not given here. So what are we supposed to do? So let us assume. Okay. Now already you know that the sacrificing ratio. Here let us assume the sacrificing ratio is 3:2. Sacrifice ratio is 3:2. Right. Now let us assume that the total value of the share. Let the share value be. Let the share value be equal to 1. Okay. And what is Mercy share in that? Mercy share is 1/5. Okay. Mercy is going to get 1/5. So how much is the remaining? How much is the remaining share? So remaining share. Remaining share is 1 minus 1/5. Which is, take 5 as a common factor. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4/5. 4/5 is remaining. Okay. So let us assume the share is 1. Mercy share is 1/5. So 1 minus, now actually 1/5. It's not written clearly, so I'm writing it 1/5. Okay. So remaining share is 1 minus 1/5. So 4/5 is the remaining share which belongs to the old partners. Okay. So now let us find out the new share. Okay. So what is the old share? So you have this formula written here. Okay. Now let us write the formula. New share of the old partners. New share of the old partners. new share of the old partner is equal to remaining share into old share. What is the remaining share? 4 by 5. Isn't it? 4 by 5 into old share. What is the old share? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is the old share. Old share of the first guy. What's his name? First partner, what's his name? Mala. Okay, Mala share. So let us take it further. Mala share. So 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. The next person, what is her name? Mala Anita, right? Anita. Anita's new share. Anita is getting how much? Again, I think 2 by 5. Right? 2 by 5. Into what is the remaining share? 4 by 5. Right? So here you have 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. So 12 by 25. Here you have 4 to the 8, 8 by 25. So that is our Mala's and Anita's share. Right. Now due by Mercy's new share. She is going to get 1/5. How is she going to get 1/5? You can make the denominator same by multiplying it by 5, so numerator also by 5. So 5 by 25. So the new share is 12 by 25, 8 by 25, 5 by 25. So the new profit sharing ratio is 12 to 8 to 5. This is your new profit sharing ratio. Fine. Now, I hope you understood this problem, children. And in case you have an AT problem, you can always, I just raise some points here. Okay. There is some things are not clear, and just erasing them, so that it's very clear for you. I will rewrite that for you so that clear. Fine. Again, it's an overflow of the ink, I think so. So now here you have 1 by 5. So this is again 4 by 5. Okay. 5 minus 1, which is 4 by 5. Right, I hope you understood this problem. Okay, so remaining share. So new share of the old partner, remaining share into old share. Fine, which is 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. And again here we have an issue with this guy, it's not clear. So we can correct it on place. No, I don't want to do that. Let's just erase that and make it clear. Fill in the ink. Okay, and correct it for you. So there you are. So it's clear, right? So here you have 12 is to 8 is to 5 is your new profit sharing ratio. Fine, thank you, children. See you with another problem in the next class.